Hi, in this video we're going to talk about comparing and ordering numbers and symbols that we use to compare and order numbers. The first one is the equal sign. You're probably very familiar with the equal sign already. We use this whenever two numbers have the same value. So 23 equals 23. 0.5 or 5/10 equals 1/2. These have the same value. The not equal sign is like an equal sign with the slash through it. We use it when two numbers do not have the same value. 23 is not equal to 22. They're not the same. 1/2 is not equal to 4. The next one is the greater than symbol. We use that when the first number has a greater value than the second. For example, 23 is greater than 22. Or $2.75 is greater than $2.25. So one way to remember this is that the open side of the symbol faces the larger number. So in this first example here, the open side faces the 23. Or another way of remembering it is that you can make it into a little Pac-Man, and Pac-Man eats the larger number. The opposite is the less than symbol, so we use it when the first number has a lower value than the second. 18 is less than 74, 90 cents is less than $1.50. So again, the open side faces the larger number, and we can also make the less than symbol into a Pac-Man. Pac-Man goes in any direction to find and eat the larger number. One other symbol that's very important is the estimation symbol. It's kind of like a wavy equal sign. So it shows estimation. It means is approximately or is about, and we use it when we're rounding. So for example, 95 is approximately 100, or 95 rounds to 100. Or 750 plus 200 is approximately 1,000. It's not exactly equal to 1,000, but it's approximately 1,000. So that's when we use this estimation symbol. So we're going to look at some examples, and we're going to compare them using the equals, greater than, or less than symbol. 18 and 23. Well, 18 is less than 23, so we're going to use the less than symbol. The open side faces the 23 because the 23 is the larger number. 89 and 90. Well, 89 is less than 90. Again, the open face faces the larger number. 3,304 is greater than 3,204. So our open side faces the larger number. And then this last one, this one's a little bit tricky. 9.2 compared to 9.20. Well, these have exactly the same value. Something that we'll talk about later with decimals is that we can add any number of zeros at the end of a decimal and it won't change the value. So if we think about it, say we have $25 written like this, that's exactly the same as $25 written like this. Those zeros at the end don't change the value. So zeros at the end of a decimal do not change the value of the number. So these are the important symbols that we'll be working with and that you need to know.